College is fun until it's not.
And then ugeli wafika wathatha i-drink wathela umfana and then intombazane le yathi complain wayishanga impama.
Do they get paid umucabanga just for doing that? For money, ne?
Yeah, for money, and they sleep with all men.
The girl
For imali.
violated. So
Umuntu busy, alright.
Umuntu busy. Phila impilo yakhe.
Bring the cut back with another video. So basically, nginobani?
Nontando.
So basically, Ntando, I have a few questions that I want to ask you about Uthando. Already.
Yes.
Okay, so do you still believe Uthando luya exists la emhlabeni?
Yes, I do.
Nampela?
Yeah.
You know, a lot of things happen kuThando. What's the craziest thing that you've heard about Uthando?
Ngike ngabona nje intombazane beyithithele uguy and then wabathola behleli stairs, right? Ekhiphe ugeli wakhe, yes. Like bekhiphisa chick and then ugeli wafika wathatha i-drink wathela umfana and then intombazane le yathi complain wayishanga impama. Kune mess. A lot of mess. Yeah.
Okay, ubona leyo drama ukuthi uthela umfana nge-drink washaya intombazane ngempama.
Yes.
So what was the aftermath? Did they fight?
No, they didn't fight because uguy wavele wasukuma wanxapha phuma wahamba.
Abazange basabakhuluma.
Yes.
Sure, do you think intombazane learned a lesson there?
I think so,
abafana bakanje abafana bamapolo.
Yes.
Watch out.
Yeah, I told them Muslim thing is showing.
So that was basically the lesson.
Yeah.
So what would you say is advice to abajolayo in 2K? Yabo mama 2K are busy. It's a Fabian festival.
Yeah, I think mina asikho isidingo sokuthi uzolandela umuntu momthetho yakithela vele umbuke nje. Omnyeke phuma kuyi.
Uthule nje without saying nothing.
Yes, why kumele umlandele because kungenzeka ukuthi uzomlandela vele vele besengasakudinga empilweni yami. So sekuthi vele besengasakudinga empilweni yami. Isidingo sokuthi ubhizi lokumlwisa vele nje uphume kuyi.
Mshi uye kubabakhe.
No.
Ngadlala.
Why so kubabakhe?
Ngiyabonga. Kambe uthe kama ubani?
Ntando.
Right now I just want to ask you a few questions, ne? It's basically school related questions. It's a college kunjani, etc., right? So ngikubuza about Uthando, like what is your first comment on how love is lapha esikoleni? Mhlawumbe abantu bayakuyuza, etc.
angisumuntu abantu mina.
So what happened ke?
Isikhathi esiningi ngihlezi ngiyi-one, so I can't say ukuthi kunjani like uthando and
Would you say you believe in love?
yeah, I do believe in love.
But you stay away from love.
Yes.
What?
Oh, you know where the danger is.
Yeah, but did something happen?
No, nothing happens, just that nje. Angikho nje lapho.
All right. So what's the craziest story that you've ever heard at college of Uthando? Mhlawumbe umuntu bamthengele igrosa after 12. Who knows? Who knows?
Yeah, ziningi nje, ziningi.
Okay, so what's the craziest one that you know off the head?
Okay. Nini khona la ngezwa khona ukuthi like ngithi we have SRCs esikoleni. So the SRCs use amantombazane lawa abafana. They use them to get like symbol like as isasco and EFF. So abesasco they'll get to sleep with the EFF girls. You see. Ukuthi bethole indaba zangala.
Pillow talk.
Yes.
No way.
Yeah.
Imanga, what's happening in Sasco Nelo Kunjana? I don't know indaba zo Sasco. Is it bread related? No, my team.
No, it's ingaphansi kwe-ANC.
Oh.
Like yabo.
Basebenzile abafana.
Yeah.
Damn, ukuthola indaba zangale.
Yeah.
Do they get paid umucabanga just for doing that?
Hi. I really don't know.
You don't know.
Sure.
Alright.
That's
Alright. So like, did you hear any breakup stories that side?
Yeah.
What's the craziest one? I'd love to hear that. So that's what I'm here for. I'm a breakup story. But I heard that.
There was once a girl, she was a girl EFF. Then she was dating umuntu we-SASCO. So ngazi kwenzakalani the SASCO guy forced her ukuthi belale naye izinto ey'kanjalo. Then the girl felt about violated. So kwaba istory nje esikhulu kwaze kwaba khona ujustice for yena leyo ntombazane leyo.
And uxoshiwe leyo ma'am. Damn, udlile okusalayo. Ngadlala.
Basebenzile abafana.
Now, questions are regarding college drama and regarding Uthando. So, what have you heard lapana in college happening with Uthando?
Is ukuthi abafundi they fake uthando.
They fake Uthando for money, ne?
Yeah, for money, and they sleep with all men for imali, and some of them become a prostitute but underground.
Undercover.
Yeah.
But him up. Anyway, so I'm thinking that they do it for groceries. Is it that?
Yeah. Some of them are doing for groceries, and some of them it's because our parents can't afford them because bad pension money.
Would you say it's actually entrepreneurship?
No.
How? Bayapanta for igrosa.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're doing it sexually.
Yeah.
Okay, it's calm. Is there any crazy breakup story that you've heard in college?
Crazy breakup stories.
Yeah, story is crazy ngothando e college.
Is ukuthi they
Kwenzakaleni and they broke up.
And ukuthi abafundi abathandani, like honestly they just faking uthando and they just want to make everything simple. Kanti they depending on amadoda amadala.
Oh, so that's what they're doing. So ukhona usuke wabanjwa mhlambe ke lathi bless bye angisakudla.
Mina I've got friends. So I'm learning that from my friends. Ukuthi badipendela kwamadoda amadala while bedli imali ya NSFAS.
Okay, so what's the crazy one ukuthi bake bahlukana and once bahlukene onomuthi indoda ivele yabhoreka athi yazi ngiyabonga.
Ukufeba.
Wonke umuntu busy. Alright, siyabonga.
Umuntu busy phila impilo yakhe.
Alright, so uthandeka igama, could you please repeat your IG for them noma TikTok?
I'm TDK Makaset. Ku TikTok uzongithola uMelo Yellow 145.
145. Thank you guys. And anyways, thank you for your time. What's up by camera on TikTok?
Nandi Paul TikTok Natasha 2.0.
Guys, ngizoyibhala la. Uzongitshela ngizoyibhala la. Thank you for tuning in.
Girl, you don't deserve love. Hey. Oh, baby, you don't deserve love from me. Shit. Girl, you don't deserve love. Yeah. Yeah. It's like I never existed. To you, I'm just an illusion. Loved you, but it was easy to lose you. Ay. Cause I was tired of the things you do. Yeah. Cause I was tired of the things you do, shit.